Hey everyone, using AI to help with writing is awesome, right? But for school or research, there's one big rule. You need proof, you need evidence, real references from published research. So, what if there was an AI tool built just for that? Designed by researchers, for researchers. And what if it was free? Meet Boreum.ai. This tool is seriously cool, and I think you'll love it. The link to try it free is right down below in the description. Let's jump in and see what it can do. First things first, getting started is super easy. You can just log in using your Google account. Takes like 2 seconds. And boom, this is your main dashboard. See this big box here? This is where you'll ask questions or tell it what you need help researching. Simple. Okay, let's ask it a real research question. I'm asking about brain trauma detection using deep learning. Now watch this. Boreum searches through millions of research papers. Over 160 million. And here's our answer. But look closer. See these tiny numbers? Those are references. Boreum tells you exactly which research paper that information came from. It backs everything up. And down here, this is the full list of all the papers it used to write that answer. For my question, it found 49 relevant papers. You can click on any reference and instantly see the details of that specific paper. Who wrote it, where it was published, maybe even read the summary. And sometimes, like here, it even pulls in helpful diagrams or images right into the answer. How cool is that? Seriously? Getting clear answers with clickable proof and visuals, all for free? That's already amazing. Need to be more specific? Boreum has powerful filters. Only want the newest research? Easy. Filter by year. Let's say the last 3 years. Click. You can even filter by how many times a paper was cited, or choose papers from specific scientific journals. This is genius. See a journal you like? You can subscribe to it right here inside Boreum. Get notified about new papers. And it gets better. You can search for specific researchers, maybe your professor or experts in your field, and follow them. See their latest work easily. Keeping up with new research used to be hard. Boreum makes it simple. Okay, you found a paper you want to read. Click on it, and Boreum's built-in AI helper pops up. Instantly get AI-generated summaries. See the main findings, the methods they used, key ideas. It helps you understand the important stuff way faster. Okay, prepare to be amazed. You can select multiple papers, like, say these 5, and then chat with all of them together. Ask questions across the whole group. I just asked, what are the research gaps here? And look, it analyzes all 5 papers and tells me the gaps it found. This is incredible for comparing studies or writing literature reviews. Boreum also lets you build your own personal library, save important papers, organize by topic, explore online notebooks from other researchers, even subscribe to keywords to get updates on specific topics. So, why am I so excited about Boreum? Other tools might help you find papers or summarize one, but Boreum does so much more in one place. They even have a browser extension to help when you're reading papers online. There is a paid version for super advanced stuff, but honestly the free version is packed with value. If you're a student, a researcher, anyone who needs to work with academic papers, you really should give Boreum.ai a try. The link to try it completely free is right below in the description. Click it, explore all these features yourself, and see how much it can help your work. Let me know in the comments what you think of Boreum. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with a friend who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe for more cool tool discoveries. Thanks for watching, happy researching, and I'll see you in the next video.